Hello YouTube, welcome to another video unboxing cheap stuff from Aliexpress. So all the items will be listed on the video description, so if you somehow got interest in any of these items that I will be unboxing in the video, you will find the link in the video description. So we start with the i8 mini keyboard with Air Mouse Touchpad for Android TV, PC, Smart TV. Okay, as you can see, all in one. So you have a complete keyboard, you have touchpad, you have Air Mouse, and a lot of dedicated buttons. So this was really cheap, and I got it. I will show in a moment. So you can swipe with two fingers. One finger we have like kind of joystick on the right, another one on the left. So for gaming I think this will be really nice. It operates with two batteries. You just need to plug this USB on your computer, Smart TV or Android box, and you will be ready to control everything with your fingers. Okay, so let me show you how much. So this was $284 and they have it listed by $641. So remember, when you go there on the first page on AliExpress, there is an option for cheap items. If you go there, you will have the same prices I got. Okay, so the other one is a Type-C USB hub, and this one is USB-C, and then we have micro SD card and SD card reader. We have USB 2.0, although it's blue, it's 2.0, and we have one port that is USB 3.0. But for me the best thing is to be able to read cards from cameras. Okay, and this one was in this package where I paid $9.90 for everything, and this is the price of the item they have listed, but for me it was cheaper, like €2 or something like that. Let's continue. Here another USB hub. This one is simpler, no card reader, but this one is all USB 3.0 and we have 4 ports, so we will have 3 ports available when connected this one to your computer. So really nice. And this one was $189 and they have listed by $398. So don't forget to go directly to the first page and check those cheaper items. Okay, and this one is a Keychain LED, and it's really nice. It's LED, it charges by USB, it's magnetic, you can attach it somewhere and you can open a beer bottle, and it has this plastic where you can put it somewhere, pointing the light wherever you want. So USB-C, the cable comes included, and it has 3 different modes. So one is light, normal, the second one more power, more light, and the last one emergency, if you want to be noticed somewhere. So this is strobe, so if you are somewhere in the street with your car broken during the night you can put this on the floor and you will be signaling everybody that comes in your direction. So also magnet, and you can attach this to somewhere, and you can open bottles with this really easy. And it can also be used when recording outside during the night with your camera, because more light means more quality. Okay, really nice. Don't forget, if you are enjoying the video, to leave a thumbs up. If you have some questions, leave on the comments below. I will try to answer everybody. And this one was on this package with 9 items, 1986, and they have it listed for $22, but it was cheaper. Okay, as you can see, really nice. Next one. So imagine all the electronics we have at home, all the devices we have, they have been changing cables or ways of charge through the years, and we need a cable for each device. So with this one, you don't need it anymore. So whenever you find one of your gadgets and you need to charge, if you need a USB-C, you have it. If you need a micro USB, you have it. If you need a port for iPad, the old one, you have it. If you want a 5 volts connections, you have it. So as you can see, this one can come really handy if you have a lot of devices, especially old ones. You will be able to give power to all. So €1.68, you can see below. Yeah, this one. And this one for me was really nice. Okay, and if you go directly without going to the main page of Aliexpress and selecting the option on top, if you go, it will be $3.68. Okay, one more. So this is a Bluetooth receiver, and with this you can send audio to your radio, your car radio, or to your amplifier or another kind of device. And also this one was really cheap. Okay, and this one you can use it on your car to speak on your phone with your friends and family. How small this is. Okay, so Bluetooth receiver, it comes with some instructions, information, and this one was $189, and they have it listed by $379. And as you can see, it's meant to be used in your car if you have the jack input. Okay, another USB hub, and this one will have some LEDs, blue LEDs, that will lighten when you plug it in. And this is USB 3.0, also with 4 ports. So this one was included in this package, $9.99, $9.90, and was, you see, $187. It's the one on the top, and they have it listed for $64 if you go for the item instead of going to the main page and select the cheap items they are offering. Okay, new item. This is a card reader with USB 3.0 ports. So, and this one is special because we have USB-C, so that means you can plug it directly to your smartphone and read the photos that you have on your camera. Also, it has USB micro and the USB normal, USB type A. So it was so cheap that I bought two. So really nice and cheap. So let me show you the links. So as you can see, I bought it for €1.87. It's the last link, this one, multifunction, and they have a listed for $4.72. Okay, let's continue. So this is a plier, multi-useful plier. This one, for me, I will be using it for fishing. So if I want to cut something, I will use it also to remove hooks from fishes. So this is a fishing lure with the hooks, and so instead of grabbing the hooks with my hands when removing from the fish, I will use the plier. And it was also really cheap, and I think it will be really useful. Okay, this was the last item. I will show you the link for this one also, but this was the last item of this unboxing. So let me know which item did you like the most, and if you have any comments, leave it on the comment section. I will reply to you all, and I'll catch you on a new video. Thank you very much, and goodbye. Okay, just to show you where I got those cheap prices. So on the main page, if you click here, you will be redirected to this page where all the items will be like €1, €2, 3. So really nice. I already have some more to purchase. Thank you. Bye bye.